Hello and welcome to the channel. This is another Transformation Tuesdays. If you're new to the channel, Transformation Tuesday is where I pick a photo of a polish, an indie polish, or I have the actual indie polish in my collection, and I try to recreate the components that are in that polish into a polish that I make. Just to be sure that this is just a homage to those great indie makers. I don't do it exactly all of the time. I just use the ingredients that I have in my arsenal to make the polish, and I do it as close as possible. Now in this photo shot, this is the lovely Manicentric. She does beautiful swatches. I pay homage to her as well. I will put her information down in the description box. If you have not seen her channel, you should visit her channel. Now for those of you that have been watching my channel, have seen me do this particular segment on a first Tuesday of the month, but I have not been doing it because I didn't get such a great reception. So if you would like for me to continue to do this series, please leave a comment down below in the description box. And if you're new to the channel and like live swatches and review, please go ahead and consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when I upload new content to this channel. Now this polish was created by Moonshine Manny, which is called Positively Bedeviled with Meetings, etc. This is described as a blackberry jelly filled with red copper gold multichrome flakies and hollow micro flakies. Now in hindsight, I should have pulled out my flakies, but I didn't go to the description before I made this polish. So I just made it by eyesight based on what I thought should be included in this particular polish that I made. Again, it's not an exact replica, but I did want to try to recreate this polish. So let's get started. First up, I'm starting with some suspension base. I'm using a finger paints polish, which is holographic polish, called Cosmic Chaos. Beautiful polish. It's very pretty all on its own, but I thought this particular polish would be closer to the color of Moonshine Manny's polish. I guess I decided I didn't have enough glitter, so I'm going to add some more. How it presents itself on the nail tip and how well it works. decided to go ahead and swatch it on my actual nail because sometimes the nails, even the nail tip, doesn't give you a great representation of how it's going to actually look against your skin. So I decided to go ahead and swatch it, and I was like, okay, looking pretty good. So this is my full hand without cleanup, and the color looks pretty good, so I was pleased with it. And this is a swatch of the polish without the glitter and the flakies. I just wanted to compare side by side with the actual polish that I made. And there's a subtle difference. Not a whole huge lot of difference, but it's a subtle difference. And here I just put in a glossy top coat so that shimmer and shine can pull through. So here's the side-by-side shot of Manicentric's mani and the mani that I did with the polish that I made. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know if you'd like for me to continue this type of series in the description box below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed, and remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.